Okay, so you're going to describe how to prove that this ABC is a parallelogram. Include which triangle congruency theorem you would use. Well, for this one, I have a side and an angle. Oh, I can get reflexive, so I can get an extra side here. Same thing here, side, angle, side. So here I can show that triangle, let's say BCA is congruent to triangle DAC by side, angle, side. Then I can show congruent parts by CPCT. So I can show BA is congruent to CD by CPCTC. Then I have the definition, so I can use the no, not definition. It's not definition. It is what opposite sides are congruent. No, that's the reason. I can say opposite sides are congruent, right? And this is one of the properties of a parallelogram. Okay, this one, well, I have the reflexive here, which is side. I have an angle and an angle here, so I can show triangle CBA is congruent to triangle CDA by angle, side angle. And then once I show it's congruent, then I can also get the parts are congruent. So look, I can get this is congruent to this, right? Say angle CBA is congruent to angle CDA by converse of alternate interior. Once I have that, oh, sorry. That's not alternate interior. This is by CPCTC. CPCTC. Then I get parallel lines. I can get BA is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. And that is by converse of alternate int. Then here I can get parallelogram by using the definition because I have the parallel parts here. Look, parallel, 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 parallel. This is parallel to that. Lastly, this might help you by drawing a visual. Like this can be 60, this is 60, this is 120. So this is going to get 60. So I have to use like a linear pair here. Okay, once I get linear pair, I can then, oh, sorry, I am so stupid. This has to be 60, yeah. So this is 120, right? So once I get 60 here, I get 120. Once I get this, I can say that I can get angle D by linear pair. Okay. Once I get linear pair, I can say angle C plus angle D, which is angle CDA, adds up to 180. Okay. This is because then you can go to angle C and angle CDA is supplementary. And then since it's supplementary, you can get, therefore, this right is going to be, this is the transversal, so you can get BC is parallel to DA, and then from here you can also, if this is 120, this is 60, how do you get the other part? Well, if you draw a diagonal, right, you can also just draw a diagonal. Then you can just use side angle side if you want, okay, to get this other angle, right? and it would also work as well. Okay, C is very sloppy, but everything else is good.